Hi guys, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. My name's Amy. So today on the channel, I'm going to be making Pop-It fidget toy gummies. So let's get started. Now this recipe originated on TikTok, and what people are doing is taking that fidget toy and filling it with chocolate and M&Ms. But what I'm doing is filling it with a gummy solution so it turns into gummies. And I thought about this after the fact, but instead of M&Ms in the little holes, why not Skittles? Now this is the same recipe that I used for my gummy bears, but it's just used in a different way. I'm just going to demonstrate how to make the blue flavor first, and because this is going to be a small quantity of each, I just did a microwave safe little dish, or in this case a measuring cup to do this. So you're just going to put the water and corn syrup in there.
Help?
And now we're just going to put in the flavored gelatin. If you notice in the toy, there's two different shades of blue in there. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're just going to start with the light blue flavor. And this is extremely simple. All you're going to do is mix together your unflavored gelatin, your flavored gelatin, water, and corn syrup. And then mix that up and let it set. After about 10 minutes, your mixture should look like this, and then you're going to put it in the microwave for about 10-second intervals until your mixture melts down into a syrup. And then you're just going to fill up your mold. And then with the remaining syrup, I just dropped the teeniest, tiniest little drop of black food coloring into that mixture just to make it a shade darker. Now I'm going to leave these in the fridge to set for about 1 to 2 hours or until firm to the touch. After about 1 to 2 hours in the fridge, we're just going to unmold these gummies. And what I did is I just tipped my mold over and peeled up on the mold while I pressed in little dots with my finger to get everything out together and smoothly. If you just try to peel the gummy out of the mold, the Skittles will come off, so you don't want to do that. And I did redo this recipe with Skittles because I thought that was a really cool idea. You can do it without Skittles or with Skittles. It's totally up to you. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Very quick and simple one this time around. If you guys liked it, don't forget to leave me a like down below. And if you have any suggestions for what you would like to see next, I would love to hear about it in the comments down below. Subscribe to make more messes with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!